Raindrops sliding on the glass. Cloudy streets are drifting past. Morning light begins to glow on the quiet roads I know. Coffee warm beside my hand. Slow reflections from the lamps. Every signal shining soft through the slowly waking town. Neon colors fade away from the racing nights before. Now the city feels asleep, wrapped inside the silver sky. No need to chase the night again. No engines crying through my head. Only calm and open roads keeping pace beside me. Rainlight reverie floating through the streets. Gray skies all around me. Soft reflections underneath. No crowds and no headlights. No racing through the dark. Just this quiet moment and my peaceful heart. Tiny puddles, mirror signs. Traffic rolling slowly by. Every corner painted gray. Still it somehow feels so warm. Radio playing quietly like a distant memory. I can finally breathe again with the rhythm of the drive. Maybe when the night returns, the neon fire starts to burn. But for now I just wanna keep driving through this peaceful day. Rainlight reverie, gentle as the breeze. All the midnight memories drifting far from me. No finish line to cross now. No need to run tonight. Only rainy daydreams and city lights. Raindrops fading from the glass. Cloudy skies keep rolling past. Driving slowly through the rain. Rainlight reverie. Soft gray light across the town. Rainy clouds are hanging low. Quiet tires on the road as the morning slowly flows. Coffee warm beside my seat. Wipers moving steadily. Every signal shining pale through the silver afternoon. Tiny rivers on the glass. Traffic rolling gently past. Even rainy empty streets feel a little beautiful. enough to disappear inside this silver world. Silver Rain Avenue, floating softly through cloudy skies and city lights, covered in a rainy hue. No finish line ahead now, nothing left to prove, only calm reflections and this peaceful afternoon. Soft gray skies above the road, rainy winds begin to slow, driving gently through the day. Silver Rain Avenue, pale blue traffic moving quietly, cloudy daylight stretching through the streets, soft gray window, silver afternoon. Everything feels slower under rainy skies. Side roads covered in soft reflections, water trembling near the curb. People passing under umbrellas through the muted afternoon. Tall buildings fade behind the mist, traffic flowing steadily. Nothing loud or overwhelming, just the rhythm of the rain. Turning slowly at the lights, wipers keeping gentle time. Every moment drifting softly, like the city's half asleep. I don't really need a destination, I just let the road continue, watching cloudy colors blur across the windshield view. Pale blue traffic rolling endlessly, quiet rainy daylight keeping pace with me. Maybe peaceful days arrive without asking to be noticed, hidden in the silver streets and slow-moving clouds. Pale blue traffic floating through the noon, soft reflections underneath a pale and quiet blue. No pressure waiting for me, no reason left to rush, only rainy city air and calm surrounding us. Cloudy skyline passing slow, muted colors, silver roads. Warm cup resting in my hands, clouded glass and silver streets. Rainy branches sway outside, underneath the faded sky. Traffic moving quietly, like a distant melody. Every moment drifting slow through the soft stars blur and bend, tiny lights across the water. Someone walking with an umbrella disappears beyond the bridge. I can finally hear my thoughts somewhere in the quiet hum of the city, breathing slowly through another cloudy day. Windowseat daydream, floating peacefully, rain across the skyline like a watercolor scene. No destination waiting, no pressure in my mind, only quiet rainy moments drifting slowly by. Maybe days like this were made for getting lost a little while, letting cloudy afternoons carry everything away. Windowseat daydream, softly surrounding me, gray skies and reflections blending into harmony. Morning fading into noon through the calmest atmosphere. Just another rainy drive. I could stay in forever. Cloudy roads, silver light, quiet wheels passing by. Rainy water by the rail, slowly flowing under bridges. Clouded windows passing trees, quiet roads beside the river. Soft jazz drifting from the speakers, warm drink resting near my hand. Everything outside feels distant, like the world turned gentle today. Muted Riverside, silver afternoon, nothing moving too fast under rainy skies. Tiny cafes near the corner, foggy glass and dim white lights, people talking softly somewhere, hidden underneath umbrellas, traffic humming far away, blending with the rolling rain. I could stay inside this moment for the rest of the day. Street reflections stretching long across the wet and empty lanes. Every signal changing colors without breaking the calm. I don't really need direction, I just let the road continue. Somewhere through the cloudy city without thinking too much. Maybe peaceful days arrive more quietly than we expect, without excitement, without noise, just soft rain and slow time. Muted riverside, cloudy silver blue, quiet wheels and coffee warmth drifting through the afternoon. No destination calling, no pressure in my mind, only rainy city air and a little extra time. River breeze, gray daylight, quiet roads passing by. Cloudy colors fill the road, pale reflections come and go. Everything is moving slow in the quiet afternoon. Rainy air beyond the glass, buildings fading softly past. Nothing feels too far away, nothing feels too close. Softlane noon, silver sky, muted streets rolling by. No loud thoughts, no heavy rain, only calm between the lanes. foggy windows, muted traffic, silver crosswalks, cloudy noon. Rainy streets beyond the glass, people drifting quietly past. Everything feels soft today, wrapped inside a silver haze, turning slowly through the town, water sliding down the lanes, nothing loud or overwhelming, just the calmness of the rain. Corner table drizzle floating through the city, soft gray reflections moving gently beside me. No reason to hurry, no pressure in my mind, only rainy day scenery and quiet passing time. Traffic lights beneath the clouds blur across the window frame. Heavy road feels half asleep in the muted afternoon. I keep driving without thinking, letting small streets lead the way. Somewhere in this cloudy silence, I can finally slow down. Corner table drizzle, clouds above the avenue, silver skies and steady wheels rolling softly into noon. Nothing waiting for me, nothing I need to prove, only peaceful rainy moments drifting slowly out of view. Quiet roads, silver light, cloudy skies passing by. Maybe it's the weather, but today feels softer somehow. Even the traffic sounds far away under the cloudy sky. Tiny drops keep racing slowly across the passenger window, while pale gray buildings slide quietly beside me. Misty Parallel, silver afternoon, rainy roads unfolding under muted blue. Nothing moving quickly, nothing feeling loud, only calm reflections floating through the clouds. I turn wherever the road bends without thinking very much. The city feels half asleep today, and honestly, I don't mind it. Signals changing one by one, water shining near the lanes. Everything keeps drifting slowly was. I leaned back against the seat, listening to the rolling rain, and let another cloudy hour carry me a little farther. Misty Parallel, floating peacefully, soft gray scenery, keeping pace with me. No pressure in this moment, no reason left to rush. Only rainy daylight and quiet moving streets. Clouds above, silver roads, slowly fading out of focus. Gray horizon, moving slowly. Rainy windows, soft and blurry. Long roads under cloudy light, cars drifting through the afternoon. Tall buildings fading into mist, everything feels far away. Warm cafe music quietly plays, somewhere beneath the engine hum. Traffic signals changing slow, without urgency. Overcast Boulevard keeping me company. Silver streets unfolding under sleeping skies. No loud city noise, no reason to rush. Only rainy air and calm reflections. Water trembling near the curb, umbrellas passing one by one. Soft wind moving through the trees beside the Riverside road. I let another green light pass without thinking too much. Today feels slower than usual, and maybe that's enough. Maybe cloudy days can make the world feel quieter, like everything unnecessary simply disappears. Overcast Boulevard, floating endlessly, muted colors blending into rainy scenery. Morning slowly turning toward a silver noon. Just another peaceful drive through the quiet city. Soft gray roads, passing lights, rainy skies drifting by. The rain got quieter again, only small drops on the windshield now. Side streets covered in pale gray, almost nobody outside. Turning slowly through the neighborhood, windows glowing softly in the distance, trees moving disappear behind me. Traffic sounds feel far away, like they belong to somewhere else. I keep driving without music, just the rhythm of the tires and the steady muted color of another rainy noon. Apartment lights behind the mist, passing quietly one by one. Nothing dramatic in this moment, still it feels important somehow. Maybe peaceful days are hidden inside weather like this, slow enough to finally notice how calm the world can be. Slowlane echoes rolling through the rainy city, clouded roads and silver skies, moving softly beside me. No destination waiting, no need to rush ahead. Only quiet rainy daylight and drifting thoughts instead. Slow lane echoes fading with the afternoon, soft reflections passing slowly underneath the cloudy blue. White bursts swaying, clouds above, quiet streets, endless enough. I missed the light again, watching tiny drops slide down. The rainy afternoon looks soft through the cloudy window now. People walking carefully under clear umbrellas pass. Everything feels slower lately, and I kinda like that. Drifted crosswalks, silver rainy skies, soft reflections swaying right beside my eyes. Turning gently through the streets, water shining near the curb, every signal glowing pale in the quiet afternoon. I don't really need a reason to keep driving like this. Cloudy roads and calm gray hair already feel enough. smaller sounds feel softer in the rain. Maybe days like this are better when I stop thinking too much and just let the rainy city slow everything down. Drifted crosswalks, floating quietly, cloudy colors flowing through the silver streets. No loud crowded feelings, no pressure in my mind, only gentle rainy daylight drifting slowly by. Soft gray daylight passing through quiet rainy roads and muted blue. Rain again today. I don't really mind. Cloudy windows by my side. Tiny drops keep rolling down. Cars ahead move quietly through the silver afternoon. The city feels a little slower, wrapped inside the rainy air. Even though the traffic lights glow softer than usual. Soft gray motion moving next to me. Calm rainy colors flowing through the streets. No heavy feelings, no reason to rush. Only quiet daylight and the sound of rolling wheels. People walking carefully under pale umbrellas pass. Water shining near the road like a blurry photograph. I keep following the curves without thinking where they go. Letting cloudy afternoon sky slow my thoughts down. Maybe rainy days are nicer when there's nowhere else to be. Just a peaceful road ahead and enough time to breathe. Everything feels lighter now underneath the silver sky. Like the whole world quietly turned the volume down. Soft gray motion floating peacefully. Rainy streets and muted blue keeping pace with me. soft below. Overhead signs fading into mist, rain tracing lines across the glass, long curves beneath the cloudy sky, everything moving slowly today. Cars ahead like quiet shadows drifting through the silver haze, no sudden motion, no crowded noise, only soft tires against wet roads. Tall buildings disappear behind clouds, water trembling near the guardrails. The whole city feels distant now, wrapped inside a muted afternoon. Another exit passes quietly, without me thinking where to go. The road continues by itself, and I just follow peacefully. Windshield colors blur together, white lights, gray skies, faded blue reflections, stretching beyond the overpass. Nothing important waiting today, nothing asking me to hurry, only this calm moving scenery and the steady rhythm underneath. Maybe rainy days were always meant for slowing down, for watching the city breathe softly through cloudy windows, for letting empty roads carry your thoughts somewhere lighter. Grayline Cruise. Slow wheels turning, clouds drifting low, silver daylight, endless road. Cloudy skyline passing by, silver waves and fading lights, slowly driving through the gray, letting quiet fill the day. Coffee cooling in my hand, rainy roads and empty lanes, every signal glows so soft underneath the heavy sky. The city feels so far away, like the night has disappeared, only tires on the road, and these thoughts inside my head. No one calling out my name, no flashing lights, no racing flames, only clouds above the sea, moving slowly next to me. Cloudlane memories, floating endlessly, rain across drifting slowly past. Every moment feels so still, like the world forgot the time. Radio playing softly low, songs I almost used to know. Breathing with the rhythm now of the rain and rolling wheels. Maybe when the midnight comes, the neon heartbeat will return. But for now, I just wanna stay lost inside this cloudy day. Cloudlane memories drifting over me, all the midnight echoes fading gently with the rain. No finish line ahead now, no reason left to race. Only quiet ocean skies and this peaceful empty lane. Cloudy skyline passing by, silver roads and darker skies, driving slowly through the rain. Cloudlane memories. Cloudy Miletones passing one by one, silver roads below, faded afternoon, slow rainy colors sliding past the glass. Everything today feels soft at last. Tiny drops along the lane, wipers moving quietly, people underneath umbrellas disappear behind the trees. Nothing really happening, still I wanna keep driving through the calm and cloudy air without thinking too much. The radio is playing softly, low enough to drift away, mixing with the rainy sound of tires on the road. Traffic lights glow pale green on the wet and empty roads. Buildings covered by the mist fade softly out of view. I lean back against the seat, listening to the rolling tires, and let another quiet hour pass me slowly by. Everything feels lighter lately underneath the silver sky, like the rainy afternoon is slowing down the world. Cloudy Miletones floating next to me, muted rainy daylight stretching through the streets. No heavy feelings, no pressure in my mind, only soft gray moments drifting with the drive. Cloudy Miletones passing slow